Greetings and salutations. Got a little bit of a late start this morning, but I need to get into that trailer and start cleaning. So let's go. What a mess. Well, I certainly am not going to get it all done today, but at the very least I'll get some of this stuff separated, and I'll make a couple of piles out here, one for the dump, one for scrap, and then we'll go from there, I suppose. Okay, scrap pile, trash pile. Anybody need a vinyl cutter? It takes Windows 98 to run this thing. So if anybody's interested, I'll sell this along with a computer, keyboard. There's a monitor around here someplace. The monitor and the software to run it. I'll sell it to you for 50 bucks. Come get it. Underneath this canvas here is the dashboard for the Dart. Most of this stuff here and here and under there is Dart parts. There's the front seat to the Dart. There's the back seat for the Dart. It needs to be recovered yet. And there's those Harley wheels I was talking about. And I found the caliper, or not the caliper, the rotor for the back, and the front has rotors on it, so it's a dual rotor setup. Don't have a sprocket though, but if anybody is interested, make me an offer. That's not for sale. Got a padded backrest for an Electric Glide 2001. Yeah, this was on a 2001 Electra. It's just amazing. Some of the stuff I found in here. Holy cow, where'd it go? Oh, this, for instance. See this little box right here? Box full of construction pencils from Zeeland Lumber and Supply, Zeeland, Michigan. I've got probably that many of the Zeeland Lumber ones, plus that many local 1977. Oh, and look what else I found. I found a good washer bottle. Completely awesome. I have to check to see how the one in the dually looks. That's a really good one. Okay, it's starting to get hot, so I'm going to call it out here for right now. I've assembled a little bit of a cell pile, so I'm going to start putting some of that stuff together. I don't think I'll have it ready for this weekend. Maybe next weekend I'll have some stuff to go sell at the swap meet. Oh, I need to finish doing my spark plug wires. Doggone it. That's what I'll work on. And then after I get spark plug wires, then I'll get gas. Well, turns out I don't have a spark plug wire crimping tool. Checked at least online at O'Reilly's and AutoZone, and they don't have them either. Looks like I'm going to Amazon. So the engine's not going to run until next week. Oh well. Zip tie wire separators. Okay, about the only thing I can do here while I wait for that crimping tool to show up is put the spark plug boots on. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to load up the truck, make a dump run tomorrow. I got these spark plug wires for free. They actually came they came with the green Jeep when I bought it. It's a universal set for an 8-cylinder. I was going to use this when I overhauled the Jeep engine, but the spark plug boots weren't the right ones. I need straight spark plug boots. So let me throw these boots on and take it from there. can go tonight. Oh, I got something to fix that. Found it today. Here's something I couldn't do 24 hours ago. Where'd it go? Where'd you go? Ah, there it is. I don't know where I got this, but damn, gonna come in handy. And perhaps I'll wrap these primary tubes, definitely this one, down to the collector. Maybe this one down to here. And maybe this one to here with some fiberglass header wrap. I got, these are pretty tight. Probably better off getting like a header blanket, but I don't have the cabbage for that right now. But I do have some header wrap, so I think in the interest of saving my starter, man, that would be a pain. Here's the other thing that sucks about these small block darts is you can't, and I learned this the hard way because I've already had this engine in the car. Once the engine's in the car, you can't put the headers on. There's no room to slip those headers on. You have to put the headers on the engine and then drop the car over the K-member. You'll see in a future video when I drop the car over the K-member. There's no way to get these. There's no way. There's just no way. So, and those are really close to those two spark plug wires. So, probably go ahead and wrap those. I gotta make a pizza for the boy, and hopefully I can have, hope I'll have enough daylight to go ahead and load up the Jeep. Best dad ever. Anyway, just in the time of neck. Perfect timing. If it wasn't for the fact that I didn't have spark plug wire crimpers, that likely would have been running today. But I did get my trailer cleaned out. And tomorrow I will be making a dump run. And then I will be making a couple of runs to the scrapyard. So all is not lost. And quite frankly, this has been a decade-long project. I don't think an extra day is going to kill me. But I've been wrong before. I got water in the radiator. I need gas in the little gas tank. There's oil in the engine. There's transmission fluid in the transmission. And it should run. Should being the operative word. It's that time again where the sun has set. It's dark outside, or it's getting there.
Oh yes, it's beautiful.
Check for links in the description for affiliate links. That helps if you're going to shop on Amazon. I'd appreciate if you either bought something that I'm recommending or perhaps buy whatever the heck you want through one of those links. Channel gets a little bit of a commission. It's pennies, but every penny counts. Appreciate it if you can do that. Thank you in advance. And if you can't afford to do that, then we're probably cousins. Hammer away that like button. Share this with your vast social media network. And subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And click that bell icon that's next to the subscribe button so you too can be notified of future uploads. And until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry. Have a splendid day. I'm going to go eat me some pizza. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.